What is going on, guys? Kyle with Finance Bro here. Welcome back to another video. Hope you guys are all having an amazing day. We're talking about Shiba Inu in today's video, and unfortunately the market is not looking too hot right now, and therefore of course Shiba Inu's price is dipping as well. But I want to calm your anxieties, calm your fears, and anything that you guys might be thinking about Shiba Inu and the overall cryptocurrency market. There's a lot of good news coming out still and a lot to discuss today either way. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and the like button so you guys never miss a new video that we post every single day. But without further ado, guys, let's get into it. The first tweet that I want to go over here is just in. Shib is now the top 2 in 10 purchased tokens by 1,000 biggest Ethereum whales. This is awesome, guys. Yesterday we talked about the top 10 purchased tokens as far as the top 1,000 Ethereum whales were concerned, and Ethereum was still the number one. We still saw Ethereum being purchased way more frequently than all these other coins, but now it seems we're seeing a shift. The market has dipped, and now Shib is only number 2 out of all of those buy holdings that these whales continue to accumulate, which is a really good sign that Shiba Inu is not only one continuing to be bought up on the dip, obviously by these whales, but also two that the community and the army is definitely having a good foothold, if you will, on the overall market. I would not be surprised if Shiba Inu is positioned to do some really crazy things, because guys, this isn't the only big piece of news today that I want to talk about as far as the whales are concerned. We have the overtaking of Matic. We have more whales buying trillions of Shiba Inu tokens, and even a whale that bought 500 billion Shib, even though we're in a bloodbath right now. We're going to get into all of this in just a moment, but make sure, if you guys haven't already, today is the last day. There's only 24 hours left tonight. This deal will end, and the price for our private Discord with our buy and sell alerts will double. It's normally $20 a month, guys, but right now it is $10 a month. It's 50% off for a very limited time only, guys. This sale ends tonight. If you guys have not taken advantage of this, I really recommend you guys get in while you can. It's an amazing place, an amazing community. We've sent out some awesome buy and sell alerts that our overall community has had a lot of good luck with, and a lot of good just overall community building experience with. And I think most of you guys in the Discord, if you're watching this, are really enjoying that experience either way. So make sure to hit the second link down in the description below. Get signed up with this. I think you guys won't regret it. But let's talk the whales, right? Let's talk about some of these whale stats that have been going on recently. Looks like the whales are hungry for Shib. 2 ETH whales just added over total 3.6 trillion Shib, which amounts to somewhere around 73.4 million in the past 2 hours with 8 transactions. This is the most traded token by the top 1,000 Ethereum whales. That's Shib, of course, and that is basically where we're at as far as there. So guys, the whales for some reason on this dip right now are buying in a feeding frenzy. I think we all kind of knew, or we all kind of discussed a little bit about how this wasn't going to be, the kind of new trend line, if you will. We weren't going to see continued green in the market. I was very sure, and I even said this in multiple videos, and this is why you guys have to hit the subscribe button so you guys don't miss these types of things when I say them. I said that I would be not surprised, and I'm almost fully expecting us to see a 6 to 5 to maybe even 7% at the most continued dip, even after this huge pullback that we experienced in the market just 2 days ago. And what are we doing right now? We're continuing back towards the downside. Now, we did bounce off the support level here, so again, if we can continue to create a nice support level at this zone around the 1856 to even the 1984 level, around this kind of area, that to me is a good sign of a stable support and maybe a potential to create a new bottom for Shib to hopefully go back towards the upside. Let's talk about this article though. This talks again about another whale. Ethereum whale buys 500 billion Shiba amid market bloodbath. Let's read a little bit more about this and see. Well, one of the strongest corrections of the cryptocurrency market is taking place. Whales have decided to increase their holdings and specifically accumulate some Shiba Inu tokens as this wallet purchases half a trillion tokens. A large purchase to save the rally. The timing of this unexpected purchase could not have been better, as Shiba Inu was going through recovery rally over the weekend, then stopped as financial markets opened Monday, today, of course. That's another thing I want to mention, guys, is that the reason why we're seeing so much of a dip is, well, there's a few things. Number one, there's a lot of going on in Russia right now, which of course does affect the overall world. There is kind of some talking about war and everything else, and it's a little bit messy over there, but that is affecting the overall cryptocurrency market. And what we're also seeing too is the stock market, right? The stock market opened today pretty blood red, and of course that's going to affect the cryptocurrency markets because typically, not always, but typically the crypto markets tend to follow the stock markets. So that's just a quick little note there. The whale's purchase could have been aimed at both buying the market dip and supporting the recovery rally in the market, but according to the chart on TradingView, the large purchase was unable to save Shib from following the major trend of the market, which is pretty accurate, I would say, as well. And again, they talk a little bit about how Shiba Inu is retraced below the 0.0002 level, reaching a value market that has not been seen since the beginning of October 21. Shiba fails to regain first place. Yeah, we know the overall market is not doing so hot either, though, so it's not like Shiba Inu is anything different than what we're seeing right now. The overall market is down 4.48%, and when you look at all these charts, almost every single one of them is red. Look at this, just red, 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 red. Yeah. Okay. Now, one of the things I keep seeing here, just to kind of like quell some of your guys' maybe concerns that you might have, are we in a bear market? Is this some type of bear market that, we're going to only continue to see dips? And like I said, guys, I really don't think that's the case. I think if anything, we're in for maybe about 5 to 6 to 7 at the most % more in losses. That's if BTC, which is of course one of the major coins that is right now driving the market, that's if BTC can remain stable for a short amount of time. We are seeing some stability here in the price around the 33,000 to 32,000 zone. Now, again, as long as we don't dip below these types of levels, we should be okay as far as the long-term thesis of the actual bull market is concerned. And even if it goes into a bear market, guys, you got to understand, I'm buying the dips, right? That is what I plan on doing. I buy the dips, I buy and I hold, and that's what I do all day. Speaking of which, if you guys want to see when I buy those dips, get notifications right to your phone about what I am buying, join the private Discord. Today is the last day to take advantage of this, guys. There are only 24 hours left in this 50% off sale. It's an amazing community. The buy and sell alerts are awesome, and I think you guys will really enjoy being a part of this community as well. Also, guys, if you guys want some free money, I want to mention this. Shiba Inu down about 8% today, but if you want to start trading Shiba Inu on this platform and get some free money that you could either use to invest in Shiba Inu or use to invest in whatever you want, again, it's up to you. Guys, check out the first link down in the description below. Sign up with public.com. All you have to do is use our link, use our referral code, and sign up on public.com. Make an account and deposit at least $1, and you guys will get a free stock that could be worth all the way up to $70. Typically, we have a great selection of companies like Apple, Google, Amazon, Facebook, or Tesla. My friend Zach, who also makes videos on this channel, got a free stock that was worth $300 of Amazon, which is absolutely crazy, guys. Again, it's possible, but it's rare, but it is possible that you could get a pretty high valued stock. So hit the first link down in the description below. Why not pick up some free money while you're at it? Join our private Discord. But other than that, guys, that's all I have for you guys today. I'm Kyle with Finance Bro. Take it easy.